the 2015 Infiniti Q50. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.